Simplest analogy is the concept of the Igbo word Chi and Eke. I'll make it simple. For everything to work, there is a binary. Plus and what? Minus. But this plus and minus, even in electricity, we call it positive and negative. In nature, it is 1 and 0. Man is 1, woman is... Man jina mad na kom kamwalize amwanye anandu jini uru. If I na kom maya ba akwora. Iwata. Onye bari am na kom maya ndo kalako. Ndị Nnewi na-akpọ ofe nwafa. Amụrụ nke onye na-eme na ọ na-eme dibịa na Nnewi. Nwere kedu ibe Nnewi na-ada n'afa. Otu ya si achebe anyị ụmụnọ. Ibe Nnewi na-ada n'afa ba aka atụlụkpa.
All right, viewers, today we are going to talk more on that aspect of a discussion I brought out the other day talking about Chi. When Chimamanda Adichie was explaining her name, Chimamanda, you know, she gave that explanation that my spirit, it means that my spirit shall not be broken. That's what she said, the interpretation of Chimamanda. Some people were like, no, it's not the interpretation, but that is it. You know, I was like saying, okay, there is difference between Chi and Chu Uku. Chukwu is the Almighty God. Why Chi is the one that created, as in your own personal spirit. Your personal spirit is different from the God Almighty. And the Igbos understood these things, and they practice it and they explain these things. So let's have this discussion. You are not going to miss any aspect of it so that you get these things done. Well, let's go there.
Where we is here, no date, such a chona. All fresh pepper, somewhere. Next, which one can record? Actually, Tobu Abana. And in the Puna. The Tobu and Nimaba. Ni Ruki. Fresh pepper, I did fresh. It will be done. Cables.
Mana, I do the moment that question. How do you go, my woman? But I wonder, can nothing this is but even I know
that is why
you end point.
That was a massive chapter in me. You can't get Japan chapter on. Need to different. This is not
the end point
you can decipher it if you understand metamorphosis in biology. That's my own personal theory based on knowledge.
The simplest analogy is the concept of the Igbo word Chi and Eke. I'll make it simple. For everything to work, there is a binary. Plus and what? Minus. But this plus and minus, even in electricity, we call it positive and negative. In nature, it is 1 and 0. Man is 1, woman is 0. So, in mathematics, do we count 1 before 0?
No.
Which one do we count?
No, 0.
So which comes first?
Man.
Why is woman XX? X and Y can get buzzer. Or X get buzzer. So everybody knows that women came first. And let me tell you to the banks, during fetal development, you first form as a lady before you change to a man. When testosterone entered into your body. Take it to the banks. Because that thing in a clitoris, it is when the clitoris receives testosterone that you grow a stromatous act. Yeah, on a science, the concept of Chi and Eke, two things now, duality. Chi and Eke. One is a spark that brings life. One is a dormant life waiting to be activated. The Eke, the dormant life. The Chi, the spark. So when Chi meet Eke, can you get me? Yeah, but in many people say that Chi and Eke, but Chi bro na de nasavo na de kanjiko.
Yes.
It is not conjunction.
You understand?
No, it's conjunction, sorry. Not interjection. Many people say no, God Chi the creator.
God that creates.
One that Chi Google God. That is the first error. The most mistranslated Igbo word no one Chi.
Ajay crab and YangaLife.
If I was come back to that one, including our own brother S.E. Young, so
Mazong. That man
so
has been.
that publication of 1961, anglicizing the ABCD from the original phonetic side is a problem, but I'll come to that later. So what am I saying? There is two factors that makes life: Chi and Eke. So Chi na Eke. Our people was not talking about Chi the creator, no. They are telling you duality, the two things that came together to make everything, this simulation.
Okay, now in that two duality,
Yes.
from gender.
And now you are talking. If we use gender, we are talking about human. But we are talking about energy. So you say, are they gender sensitive?
Okay, maybe.
Or are they bipolar or non-polar? So we talk about the polarity now. We begin to talk about positively charged, negatively charged, which electrons will conform. Are you getting my point? For example, plus and minus joining together. Check out three of us.
Yeah.
Are they polar? Yes. How? 0 and 1 binary, right? The penis is the 1. The egg, the vagina is the 0. When 1 plug into 0, can you hear me? The rod and staff begin to comfort you.
Production.
So it is when the Chi meets the Eke. The Eke, listen, okay, what you have to say that women comes first. I don't care about what you think, but this is the fact.
Even in normal sense,
Women comes first, and I will explain. The Eke is life itself, but the life is unactivated. You got the iPhone off, non-active. Right? The Eke is a life, non-active. Looking for an activator that will activate the life. What is the activator? The spark. The Chi. And where's the Chi? Beer. Now, that is because 250 years ago, 250,000 years ago, the Elohims came to this world and genetically modified us. Because prior to their arrival, the Eke sparks itself and become life, a sexual reproduction. I repeat, prior to now, the woman don't need a man to conceive. You see that story you had about woman possible whether possible Virgin Maria? It was copied from. There is a mortuary temple of Luxor in Egypt, temple of Taiwan. Now, what I'm trying to say is that when they came and saw the story of Osset, okay,
Osset of one of the Egyptian kings.
It's not the
Egyptian
the woman
god.
that conceived through immaculate conception.
Okay, and let you more. Okay.
Through immaculate conception, meaning if I know Igbo, parthenogenesis. A situation whereby asexual reproduction can happen in human.
That's not on a plant.
The Egyptian recorded Narubeha, Normelbeha, that was said conceived without immaculate Yaka.
yes, I got this.
Ever case without marriage, so the point I'm making is this. If prior to the arrival of the Elohims, remember, who are the Elohims? The gods, the aliens that came from the Anunnakis, Marduk, Enki, Enlil, and Omonia, came into this earth in search of good and laborers. Now they said one statement: come, let us make man in our own image, after our likeness. Do you know what it means? There is a man they met, but they need to modify this man to make another kind of man. What one word for another kind of man? Mankind. Which means the word mankind means a genetically modified man, a kind of man, mankind. Which means we have man, we have mankind. Two of us. I'm using what you know to explain things.
Yeah.
They say, let us make man in our own image, after our likeness. What happened to one of your chromosome pair? Why do you have 23 pair of chromosomes? What happened to one? Have you asked yourself? That is where the Anunnaki did something to you. Monkey well. 24 per. Every symbiont have 24 per. Why do you have 23? But the original man have 24.
But I want to ask, like, outside the English language that tries to conceptualize this in like this man and kind, did other languages, like, did they conceptualize these things like this?
Exactly.
What did they?
Come bring here down.
Okay.
Did you hear stories like Nani Igbo asegi? Na enwere onye bịalụ n'obodo nwa na amara ego si bịa. Ka m nwere na ndụ nwale ga aja na ndụ ji ọkpịa bata na ndụ like a man. Remember when I always say when men we are what? Gods. Ajana came into Nando like this with his 2 feet. Boy by on the Ndama Jan. Well, Governor Yama Jan. See then for your melofa, mana where the pucha was an agani man. Walumpu. Now we'll put it. And what is he? Is he a man? Or is a demigod? This is how they came to every part of the world. Not even no story. But every part of Igbo land, every part of Africa, where this story.
Some spiritual aspect in Africa.
Most of them
mystical power.
Most of them they came like this. They came with their feet. Maybe na as no there na did well Jucha Okike, Truabia, Simili Bialfa, Mili well up the Abia, come on, no safer. Don't we call Zuma Namasa because John Mili come a clue million not riding over chair or Bovasia Numetelemoma, no more be very new non colonova, Namabia, Kedabu Michokande, okay, at Waliaka. Also, I gave up Mili Tiwa, Soba. If they were 10 million, will form on with 10 million, twice a mile. If you go water, every millisy, every big ocean, river for no one source. One source.
Another Facebook.
One source, something.
There were a lot of.
So even a Nando now, even a Nando no about Nisio, only million Nando Chulato. Milliard Nando, see I'm Yapa,
Man, go move some stories and ask some people to million. Like Obulo Milio is like Milibugo River. Some men met a millionaires.
Can I work that tea today? If you're nobody, monsieur, you will look at it. I can't see a cow bro, yet like a no, I never know. Who will put it to name by ya no. Yeah, no less more hole. Maybe that sauce, Miliakisi, Sopotava, before I try. Because they had agreement with the Okike. Do you understand my point? Now, you are asking me, how did our ancestors explain this? I now ask you, how did the Mamu came to be? Last 3 years, I made a teaching explaining that most of the Mamu Neti are extraterrestrials our ancestors encountered.
Encountered physically or encountered to
how about Allah you be number ebang? This are port and we port as on the chamber. Then look states. Whatever na abo and then one ubosibubo. Madam Moy Jeba in state for ya.
Or the Konamala.
So far, I can call story.
Amala. On another before I go further. Now, these beings now, like all these things, or within this earth, can this thing be called? When was on the Asia, like, do we, like, let's say, maybe this modern science, and us now, and we're Mars, and we're Jupiter, and we're Earth, and all of them.
Modern science is not being honest. They are not being honest entirely. Modern science is lying, and Nesi. La yedi kanenu da.
Nkana bo ufo.
Mana these things about. Okay, listen to the English. Anna. Kiriya wale no about territory, right? Now, obuna na okay, if I abana na kan wolo secular na. If I abana don't that secular abana. Ya abana dan. Now, obuna eba ka anyi nwa bi. When this is a territory. If we want to talk about this territory, we say there is an extra territory here.
Okay.
True or false? On the extraterrestrial. Those that came from the other land that we don't know.
Okay.
Is it making sense now? So extraterrestrial will be in another land. But what modern science is lying about is to tell us is a lie that they were another land.
Planet.
Or extraterrestrial being.
They don't want to know. The word alien means a foreigner.
Yes.
Kaduna, you are a foreigner. The only place you go foreigner na Kaduna na we live in the Southern Kaduna, Zankun Katafe, Atia, Makanda, Igbo. That is how you don't become a foreigner. Man, provide the need your boss here. If we batada Southern Kaduna, for the fact that boss your land today, you are a foreigner. So the word alien means a foreigner. So when this extra territory, the people of this, the citizens of this extra territory come into this place, what are they?
Foreigners.
They are foreigners. Another English, alien. Meaning, if Mazidibia goes to this their extra land, what am I there? I'm also alien.
An alien.
Man, that's why I know Igbo boys. It's just what it means. It's a quality of man.
Now we have a lot to do in our education system. This thing is even making me angry, sir.
And when you have
And when 1% of here the equivalent
to
so I come back to our able say okay now to of man.
now, this is what will prove
Some of them.
me right now. Our ancestor says in one of their Alpha couples, that we came from the other plane to this place. No, this is the statement that quantifies. Meaning we are the first and the aboriginal to come here from the other plane. Now, if you go to Mali, there is a tribe called the Dogon tribe. Dogon tribe said the same thing, that they came from the Series B star system. Are you listening? Before Western science can begin to know of Series B star, the Dogon chief priest and Didia has been using ordinary hand to draw the constellation of the Series B star. Then we grew up and begin to learn of the Orion and the Pleiades and all the Mazzaroth, which our ancestors have been talking about. Do you know how they talked about it? Through the man. How? The Jelle masquerade is the Saturn.
Indeed, the bad.
No Ijele.
Yes.
Why is it that Ijele be now or male like this?
Don't know.
Why? Why would you tell? Why is it always wearing a ring made of the Idemili, that is Eke?
And the whole decoration then Ejele is just
Look at the Saturn, look at Ijele. And why is Ijele giving a ram? That is the word Ije. What is Ele? Is the Igbo word for Saturn, the Lord of the Rings. The movement of Saturn, Ije. That is what we shorten to Ijele. The movement of the Saturn. And when the Saturn is turning, he's spinning. Ijele will spin, no? Do you get the point? So the problem is this. What you are calling Aedo is actually a science that you don't understand. Just like this is Elena. Jele is a replica of the interpretation of our ancestral knowledge of astronomy. Do you get the point now? So some of Monini in our football, the extraterrestrials they had the encounter with. Kahatolato.
and the more are in different categories, not just Ejele, my might be other
Most
different
I wouldn't have that no picture aliens. Well, like in a moment in an Igbo, most of these pictures you must see aliens and they go see on the internet. But mama they channel now. Our ancestors had encounter with them in South Africa. A great revelation was made by a great man called the Credo Mutua. He told about the Chitori people. The Chitori people. The Chitori people are extraterrestrials that shape shift. Okay? And they can become any other thing. He had in Anabai. They put Chitori people. My mother saying, "Oh, Bonnie, them. It just like you, Jibloni, them. Now, God forbid." You see? But these are sacrosanct. These are indelible. You can't wipe it off. That one time in your life, Your ancestors were from this.
All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Me too. You know, I did. That's why I'm giving you the update. Because if you are a real mature Igbo person, you must take time to know these things and you gain a lot. Yes, you gain a lot even if you don't go to the villages. All this online stuff we are, bring it up. You can learn it by the time you go home. Then nobody can mess you up like that. You tell them that you know. Because this is vital. All this information we are passing through is vital. Well, let's have a good look at this.
Manjina madna pom kamwalize ammonye anandu dujini. If I na pom my ba kwora. Iwata. Onye gbara m na akpọ onwe ndị ọkala. Ndị Nnewi na-akpọ ofe nwafa. Amụrụ nke onye na-eme na dibịa na Nnewi. Nwere kedu ibe Nnewi na-ada n'afa. Otu ya si achebe ali mụ nọ. Ibe Nnewi na-ada n'afa ba aka atụlụpa. And iwata the mystery. Everything they is what is happening to us today. I will explain what is Akwara. Akwara bụ onye ụlọ. Yes. A homely person. Check you onye na ndo bụ na ọ na-akpa mmadụ nwanne like onye na ndo nwee ike iji last card ya n'elugo ọgụ. All that thing. O nwere ihe ndị Igbo follow eji nye anyị afa ha. It's just like a gene code assigned to you. A default code. So ajụgo m ya n'iru akwụkwọ sị kedu ife bụ unu na-ada n'ava? Gị jụrụ ask m for most of them na ịjụọ ya okenye the 90 years na bụ na ọmụmụ. So kedu ife ndị bụ na-ada n'afa? Now why I'm saying this is this. Anyị mabụ ndị na ndokịta na-akpọ ọnwa anyị akwụọra. Ịghọta? Ndị mba na-akpọ anyị na ndị oje na mmụọ. Oje na mmụọ. Ịghọta? Then ụwa kịta na-akpọ anyị ndị na ndo. Mana afọ anyị bụ Anando. Anando Uduju n'iru igwe edo. And what I'm saying is this. That China answers in akpọ China. Or they call themselves Chungbo. What if you make the call China saying Chungbo now?
Indigenous Chinese.
That is if I am working on Chungbo. You get the point now? When you Japan na akpọ nwe bụ Nippon. Ongo na akpọ ya Japanese. Your gwa na ọ bụ Nippon. The China na akpọ ndị Japanese Reben. Now, I want na kita this country na akpọ Nigeria now. You were water the thing now. I na aza Naija. All the time if I na aza Bongo. You got that? I'm not Bongo. You don't look like when I say no. See na na Bongo. It's one nigga na-eje Yankee. No matter go na America.
Yes, now.
Anja akata. No matter go bi na-eje. It's one ni na-eje Mosampa. No matter go no Asia. So each place, each people when you had this net and upon the ọzọ. I na upon the Yoruba.
Them those are weak or bully aka fa na akpọ we fa.
So
No, you need to wear malon there.
Anything is code language.
Which malon there?
So telling me now Kebulan an African word is a lie. Watch and see. The word R-A-N. It's just like saying Uma Mob Anonye.
Okay.
The prefix AL in Arabic is just like saying son of or land of.
Okay.
Depending on who is talking, son of or land of. Yaki jinwe Al Nasa, Al Kuwait, Al Kasir.
So no son of Asia.
Anything that begin with AL is pointing you. No see Arabic.
Okay.
That is why when they came to Kemet, they saw our mutation. They named it Al Kemet, the land of
Kemet.
Al Kemet. From that one, we got alchemy. Because chemistry and good started from
Chemical.
I'm getting the point. You know, chemistry means Egypt.
I give men that's all this is that. Sometimes I don't give men like
that is why he got na John chapter 1 verse 1. Bo onye Greek bialoba ego agwo. Kisi blu okwu that thing. Ihe na-agụ na mbụ ka okwu ahụ na Chineke na okwu abụkwa Chineke. Ọ bụrụkwa John kwuru ya. Afọ onye kwuru ya bụ a philosopher a na-akpọ Philo. When Philo came to our land, he saw this, he saw the greatness of our as I know like our 12th or 18th dynastic period. Meaning, I remember go leave. Philo came and said, wow, guys, like, is this when you came from nothing, from all the way from a true sky
in a cave we ever found.
and you
I'm
came
cave
to
Europeans in
an advanced civilization.
The cave,
When you say,
one of the Vikings. The cave,
in the beginning was this world, and this world was with this God, referred to us as God.
Land of the gods.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Manana Gana Bago, Nampuko, Okwa, the Okwa, Chi and Eke, Okwa, it is copied from the sayings of Philo. Now, what I'm telling you is this: when we inquire about who we are not here to massage anybody's ego. I don't care about.
Yes, we are done with that. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, YangaLife channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell, like our videos, and don't forget to share them. Well, till I come your way next time, I'm still Chi and Chu.